Hello, welcome to Nuer Tube. Today we are going to do this test together. This is English for tourists. English katong nath. Kien Nuer language kikwi jale tin lawe jal. Micho jal. Dong jirama wi guardian. Achang jo jal wa. Dere titi dere kangach. Gorjen go ban nambare nywa kel. And marai kontin at the hotel. General vocabulary 1, and this is the topic that we are going to be discussing. More content qui hotel rietin bumna ken more jika qui hotel kentin kondin bukoraitin vocabulary malode kariet bumna ken no de kon word create do not me vocabulary gijen go create boom kelong agor kano de ke gwich ban rach ke kwi talk English kana talk nath check a ger kaditi kana contribute writing here write the correct word to complete each of the following sentence. Choose from the following options: change, upfront, view, exchange, bring, noisy, free, mini, lock it, receptions. These are the words that we are going to fill in into this question right here. Creating content because Jordan can read tin bukon rach Jordan career to guasamani. Kan ka gor kaditi ka tungnat change it up front view exchange bring noisy free mean lock reception aduno kan dial titi te kan ka lot bukon ko kula ngai guasame marai kon ka kwidian. Let's start it. Question number 1. Can you get someone to dash our bags to our room? Can you get someone to dash our bags to our room? Katong nuera lara jenene shiko de goramede kisne ko dash duela. Michi jen tiogwasame. Can you get someone to dash our bag to our rooms? And write the answer de konjek mishal kedi bring. Mijog nada no. Can you get someone to bring our bags to our room? Jek de beyiga bring guasame. Amabukon katung nuero guadame. Shiko de goramade kisne ko dach duela. Bukon chulanangu. Bukon chulani nung. Shiko de goramade kisne ko nung duela. Jek de jen nung guadame katung nat. Shiko de goramade kisne ko nung duela. Can you get someone to bring our bags to our room? Question number 2. Are these sheets Dutch every day? Ken malay nitite laka Dutch ke nishang. Be answer bijogur. Are these sheets Dutch every day? Muguri je bikangach. Buka can want to change up front view exchange bring noisy free mini locked receptions. Lagwad me jog ni jine na kan malay entity laka dai nichang. Laka gerke. Ano. Laka gerke. Gerke nichang. Ala change it. Gerke michuwa. Laka gerke nichang ko teach me chu ko tell guru jen o jen bi ngajen o kan malay ni ki bed sheets chakula at this sheet Dutch every day laka ger keni chang bi ngajen o laka ger ke ki chaka ger ke a teenager you simple asking a question are the sheets Dutch every day this one will be changed ka talk English more on question and the audience question number 3 we didn't take anything from the Dutch bar we didn't take anything from the Dutch bar. What should be your answer? Tell me nang ko hotel and Dutch and dan. Mlar kone gwaseme ka hotel and tot. Mishale tot and tot. The control shere me tot. Mini gwasemeni de kon kane michelele mini. You know, mini here. We didn't take anything from the mini bar. Mini bar, hotel me tot, she me did. Katong nwere tele machine nang ko hotel and tot and dan. You know, we didn't take anything from the mini bar. Question number 4, ki teach and wandian. I dash my key in my room. I dash my key in my room. Katong nath en chaki da dash duela. En chaki da dash duela. Kwasame gak. Chaki da gak duela. In English, how do you put these words, these vocabulary words? Gak. Shall I locked. I locked my key in my room. I locked my key in my room. En chakida gak duela. Question number 5 here. Question number 5. Do I leave the key at the Dutch desk? Do I leave the key at the Dutch desk? Gwame chakon joke ka key duela baja bany ramente Dutch malakona jekanija. Like mishi work hotel ki te gwatu uten la ramadan and niam hotel kala jajegi. You know. En kire de bany ramente Dutch men la kona jekanija. Enteniam. Ramuteniam hotel men la kona jekanija. Ki gwada dan en la na Newton. And more shwaledi shwale reception. Shall reception ke English. Do I leave the key at the reception desk? You know. Dere jeganono. Do I leave the key at the Dutch desk? Ka key duela. Beja bayraman niam mala kona jekanije. Or you can simply put they. Okay, hold on. Okay. De bayraman niam man la kona jekanije. Reception desk. Gwada dana la kona jekmi wire hotela. Shale reception. Niam hotela. Ki niam dora. Question number 6. Do I have to pay Dutch? Do I have to pay Dutch? Name de da yun European. Do I have to pay Dutch? Name actually upfront. Upfront. Allo de tang wana de ka European. And chakon binyoso in advance kwa me when yam ko meken ti dial kan ga yorpin de tang wan de ke yorpin de tanin kulo yorpin nyok. Do I have to pay upfront? De tang chalatang katong nuere tang yun yorpin upfront gwada dan en ngoda dong michi wi do lat ba jogo kon tang yun kon ke yorpin bina kulo wa won yam. Do I have to pay upfront? De tang yun yorpin. Number 6. Is there somewhere I can dash money around here? Take a guas mde yoka daitin and guame. Is there somewhere I can dash money around here? Take a guas mde yoka daitin and guame. Take a guas mde yoka ger tin and guasame ger me geri door. Is there somewhere I can exchange money around here? Take a guat mde yoka ger tin and guame. Jen jagadandi jakaje. Is there somewhere I can exchange money around here? Take a guas mide yoka gertin and guame. Number 8. The fun is really dash. Can I turn it off? En marorame. Dash. Chana degak. En marorame. Rale. Chana degak. Guadamake English. The fun is really noisy. Can I turn it off? The fun is really noisy. Can I turn it off? En marorame. Rale. Chana degak. Mite ka moral ka gurjan orderi gak chale noisy ral de kon me chi kon dilat go de kon blat go asame ke jako kuna nang neja. Okay, sorry, here let's put it here. De kon hold on, name there are a okay, and marwore me marwore a marwore check and a and marwore eme aywa en marwor eme ral e shana degak jen jekda namon. Number 9. Is this service dash or do I have to pay for it? Eneme melede dash kebayo ka yorpin. Eneme lede bang eneme we have to change something here. Eneme lede bang kebayo ka yorpin. Is this service free? Do you teach me service free? Is this service free or do I have to pay for it? Mishoko hotel kiete gwan mishoten dong bishobre hotel bijeka no internet lede yo bukuliti ko dong baji charge dong baji yoro yopin ajan kuliti jane. Is this service free or do I have to pay for it? Enema lede bang kie ba yoka yorpin. En internet lede bang kie ba yoka yorpin. Then this is a kind of question that you should ask. Is this service free or do I have to pay for it? Number 10. The Dutch is fantastic. We can see the whole city. The Dutch is fantastic. We can see the whole city. Dutch gwae along gwi nene wikelo. Nende gwae along gwi nene wikelo. In English, you can say view. The view is fantastic. We can see the whole city. Nenda gwaye long gwine ni wich kelio. Dong chi wud nial long ti katarai. Then kuwi kule gwej pin. The view is fantastic. Kechan konejin vija. The view is fantastic. We can see the whole city. Nenda gwaye long gwine ni wich kelio. Mishika lelken ti shika jakka rieda ti. Deken lwak gwasandana nguru jano raji karan king ijirodu ke English. Kadwob dana ndi right keje. Okay. The view is fantastic. We can see the whole city. Nenda gwaye long gwine ni wikelio. Is this service free or do I have to pay for it? And I'm a leda bang ki bayoka European. The fan is really noisy. Can I turn it off? And marwarame roale shana degak roale shana degak. Is there somewhere I can exchange around? I can change money around here. Take a guasmide yoka gerthin and guame. Do I have to pay upfront or in advance? De tan yunu European. Kenyam ko ba yur ko ken kulo nyoko European. Do I leave the key at the reception desk? Do I leave the key at the reception desk? Kaki duel de je banyaramen tanyam mala kona jekenije. I lock my key in my room and chakida gag duele. We didn't take anything from the minibar. Telemission nang ko telen totendan. Are the sheets changed every day? Are the sheets changed every day? Are the sheets changed every day? Kan malayan titila ka gyar kenisha? Can you get someone to bring our bags to our room? Shiko de go ramade kis no konung duela. Shiko de go ramade bag no konung duela. Neme English katung nath kene ta dan de je kwen kaje kien Nuer language kadob dan di right kaje. English for tourists, English katung nath kien Nuer language kakwi jala tin la wajal. Okay. Topic morai content akwi hotela kiriet bomb. Please go through this topic again. Listen, read it, kwene ngani jengo bitanin begangach, especially all these words changed, upfront, view, exchange, bring, noisy, free, mini, locked, reception, create and konongoro de ngachelong katungnat. Bana nyoga je kamada dien chuja paro jeno be subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. Bye bye.